Okay, so I think I left off the last time with this 2-inch going down to a 3-inch. This is second level going down to the first level, right? And that's a 3-inch. So it's 3-inch because of this floor drain. So what we're gonna do, let's see, I think that what I'm gonna need to do is put a floor drain on the second level, and then that'll take care of it. That way we can have a 3-inch throughout this main line. Okay, so let's start. So floor drain, so we go to our family of fixtures, and in here, in this family, plumbing fixtures, and we look for floor drain. There it is. So this floor drain here, escape out of that, and what I want to do is put it on, I don't want to put it on vertical face, right? That's the wall. Place on face, that's going to be the face of an element like the sink here, and we don't want to do that. So what we want to do is put it on a work plane, which is right there. Okay, so now that that's on the, let's check and make sure that it's at the right elevation. Let's go to this section view, let's highlight that so we can get our reference. Okay, that looks good. So the next thing I'm gonna need to do is make sure that my vent is going back to the wall. Okay. Let's, now what am I doing? Let's see. What am I? No, just okay. I didn't want to do that. So, and the vent is okay. So the vertical is my sanitary and the vent is here. So it looks like it's the right orientation. So let's go back to, I'm going to change this orientation of my view to look west. So I'm going to rotate counterclockwise 90. So we go 90 degrees. And let's look at that section so we can finish. Okay, so here I'm gonna, let's filter out some of this mess. Okay, let's go here. Okay, so that's gonna be, that's cutting off just a little bit. Yeah, it's right there. That's why it looks a little skewed. Okay. I'm just gonna go back because it just looks weird. I don't know. That's just just me. Okay, and then we go sanitary. Make sure that we got our correct system. That's our 3-inch that we're looking at. I'm not gonna slope this pipe. Okay, and I need to change that. Can I change it here? Yeah. Okay, we go here. Okay, that looks good. Put a trap on this guy. A P-trap. Put a P-trap on it. Okay, now, so from here I can go second level, and that's where we are. Let's go to our 3D view and look at this guy. Yeah, I like that. That looks good. I like that. And our view here. So what I'm gonna need to do is to do some maintenance work. Okay, so we are in this location. Okay, so from here, delete. I think that I'm going to delete all of this all of this, that, this, this. Okay, and I can make that a 3-inch just for the heck of it. Make it a 3. Make it a 3. And it looks like it's up too high, but that's okay. Let's look. Let's take a look. Okay, let's look into our wall space and see where we are. So I'm gonna do this. Draw my pipe again. And this one is gonna be sloped, but I'm just using this to align everything. Okay, so I'm gonna align one pipe, which is, I don't like that it's right on the center line of the wall. So I'm gonna change that just a little bit. So let's line him up, line him up, line him up. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so we got 3. Go here. I need to put a clean out here. That's my vent riser. I'm not going to worry about it. Should I slope? Okay, so just I'm going to slope going up. You know what? Wait. I'm going to do this and do this. Come here. No, go back. I'm not going to make this complicated. So get my pipe and hold up. Draw pipe. There we go. And I guess I could. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Go here. Erase this guy. That. Okay. And they should still be aligned, right? That. Yeah, I think that they are. There are different elevations. So let's, I could go to a section view, but I'm gonna be lazy right now. So we're gonna slope down. Otherwise Revit is gonna give us an error. I'm gonna stop it right there. Let's look at that slope and see that it's cool. Rotate clockwise. Okay, listen to the clock on the wall. Listen to the clock on the wall. Yeah. Yeah, this is a design build, what I call a design build. No premature editing. You're gonna get the raw cut. This is how it's done in practice. You get to see all the flaws. You get to see all the flaws. Just take your time and okay, so we're here. I want to see that slope. Yeah, okay, and that's our pipe going out into the floor drain, right? And that's how far under. So what I can do, I'm gonna just delete this, or yeah, no, it would be easier, I think. Let's just do it like that. Okay, and because they are aligned, I should get a nice clean fillet here, right? So we fillet or trim, extend. Trims or extend elements. Doesn't say anything about a fillet, huh? Wow. Well, you can use it as a fillet, okay? To corner. Wow. I guess it's just from my AutoCAD days. Wonder why it doesn't say fillet. But anyway, we're gonna fillet. Okay. So that's what that was. I don't know why I didn't say that. Trim or extend. We can extend, right? We can extend, or we can, I'm going to do a detail line here, and just to show you what a trim is. See, they're saying that this is a trim. Trim or extends an element. Now, I don't know how this fillet, this one will trim, extend single elements. I know that. And this is multiple, right? Yeah. No fillet. This should say fillet. Wow. Okay. Well, hey, programming is an art, I guess. So anyway, I'm going to go here and let's see if am I aligned on my bird's eye view? Yeah, I think so. It looks good. Should I take a chance? Let's see. Let's go to another view and oh, this is nice. Okay, so I'm gonna okay. Let's try. I'm gonna try something. Make sure that we got the right fitting in our library of what am I gonna call it? Library of okay, no, that looks good. I was gonna call it library of magic, but I don't want to do that. So it looks good. So I'm gonna try to extend and see if it gives me the results I want. Yeah, okay, I like that. I was surprised that Revit did that. And it looks like I am out of line here on all three of these. So what we're gonna do is look at our placement counterclockwise on the rotation, clockwise on the counterclockwise on the rotation. I love it. Okay, go to section. Now, I think that, so we do one, and then I'm going to extend my section so I can get the other two and align those with my first one. Did you understand that? Did you understand it? Let me see. So we're going to align, right? And we're going to 1, 2, okay? Now, let's go back and get the other two. Just like we said, right? This is what happens. I just have fun with mine. I love it. I love doing this. I love it. Oh man, just practice. Now what am I doing? Okay, so these two, there's two back here. Okay, so align here and here. Uh-oh. Hold up. So I'm gonna align 1, 2. Okay, that was the second one, and that's only one pipe that I'm gonna align to. I don't know if y'all can see that. I see it. Okay. See it. I wish I had a song I could sing right now, but none comes to mind. Ba-da, ba-da. Who can name that in 3 bars? Da-da. I can name that tune in, what's that, 2? Da-da. Now, let's go to the 3D view and make sure that these are, I want these to be a 2-inch. 2-inch, yeah. I didn't change anything, did I? I changed that? The heck, man? What's going on? What's going on? Make that a 2-inch. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's do this. Let's do a multiple extend and see what Revit does to us. Multiple. Here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, see, that's how you work it. Work it, work it, work it, work it. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm gonna stop here.